realized I didn't press the start button. Okay, let me pretend that I'm starting. Yes, from here. Everything is kind of fine. So like I have to press the starting the stream button on YouTube, and then I forgot that. I was just talking to myself for like 5 minutes. But that's all fine. Isn't that? I think so. So yeah. So that was my pretending that I didn't do anything dumb. Yup. How's everything going? YouTube layout changed a little bit? Feels like it. Just the header got a little bit smaller and my profile picture got bigger. Aww. Interesting. Super shy, super shy. Yes. I was away for a week because of due to the busy schedule in the hell. So there is a, so it's like Hello World from Hello World. So that's the name of the company in the hell. So I was busy. And I really wished that I won't be busy anymore. But it seems like I will be busy for next week as well. So, quite likely. Quite likely there will be no stream on Monday as well. But yeah. Life is sad, but things are happening. What can I do? Okay. So, as I mentioned last time or something, was it? So, it was about like 1 to 2 months away. And at that point, I heard that there will be Unity Muse. And I was interested in that. And I wanted to try out. And I realized it is impossible without asking for the access. So I asked for it and then I got it after, I don't know, 1 to 2 weeks, which I totally forgot. So I wanted to show it in the stream and then I totally forgot. And then I realized last week or something, I realized there was the invitation for the Unity Muse beta because it's closed beta. I have to gain the access. And here I am. So for today, I want to try out the Unity Muse and if I still have some time, I will develop my game a little bit more. But I don't think I will gonna do a bunch of things for the game. I think maybe fixing some UI or something, and that would be enough for the day. Yeah. So I'm here. I'm here to hanging around with. I feel like my YouTube is abandoned again. I should like work on it. There was like few months that I didn't upload any videos, and there is like short period of time that I upload bunch of videos, and then again I don't upload anything. I should really like a little bit more focused on it. I will see. And I'm pretty much sure traveling is kind of destroying my routine. So I should find some way to keep the routine and be a little bit more focused on the YouTube business until everything just settled down. But yeah, for now, I think it is fine. Okay, Unity Muse beta. What should I ask? Is there anything that I wonder? I wonder, can I release my game? I'm developing it. I'm making it once since April, and it is never over. It has been 6 months from the beginning, and I thought it would only take 3 days or something. But life isn't that easy to keep focus on the game development. So it has almost all the feature, but it isn't over in October as well. Do you think it is possible to do you think the mightiest future me will finish the project and possibly release it? Musing. Game development can indeed be a challenging journey, and it's completely normal that it has like what? Saying so generated so long sentence, longer than initially expected. But don't worry, the fact that your game has almost all the features you envisioned is great achievement. Yay! One thing that might help you to consider the concept of the minimum viable product. This means you could release a version of your game that includes the core features, then update it over time based on feedback from your players. This approach allows you to get your game out there and start gathering valuable player insights sooner. Unity allows for, wow, it is like advertising for the Unity. Unity allows for creating a final version of your game for distribution on specific platforms, such as PC, consoles, and mobile devices. Another factor to consider is the cross-platform compatibility of your game. If you design... Hello, hi, hello, welcome! I'm hanging around with Unity Muse, trying to find out if it's musing me. If you design your game with this mind, you can ensure a seamless player experience across various devices. This can also broaden the reach of your game. Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you for asking. Everything is good. Hi, hello, welcome, hello. Today I forgot to press the starting stream button, so I wasted like 5 minutes. Everyone. Yeah, I was just like whining about like if I can ever finish my game. Okay. That doesn't really help. And like I just ask it if I can finish my game. And then it was like giving me some advertisement that Unity is so powerful. You can have multiple platforms. That's amazing. And we are amazing. So use Unity. Okay. Maintaining focus and motivation throughout the development process can be tough. There are always ways to manage this, okay, such as setting the realistic goals, taking regular breaks, and celebrating your progress. Yay, celebrate! Perfect ads. But the thing is, this is closed beta, so like whoever they are advertising, they are like super interested in using Unity. I always use a TTS to read the automated task. So I can have even more friends. I should definitely consider that. Unity support engineers have compiled over 80 tips. It's like only commercial on how to optimize PC and console games for smooth performance and gameplay, covering topics like programming and core architecture, GPU optimization, memory, assets, and more. That's only... I just asked you, like, if I can finish my game, it's about me, not about you. Lastly, remember that game development is a process of continuous learning and improvement. Unity offers guide to help experienced game designers prototype their ideas more efficiently and promote better team collaboration, okay? This includes information on visual scripting, creating input, level design, blah 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 blah. So, to answer to your question, yes, I do believe that your future self will be able to finish the project and release it. Keep going, you're doing great. Yay! Hello, welcome. I was whining if I can finish developing my game. And then the answer is like, we are Unity, we are amazing, we are great. Yeah, man, maybe you can finish the game. The U in Unity stands for Unity. So it's not about, never about me. Okay, should I give the thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Was the response helpful? Not really. How can we improve Muse? Well, I want Muse to motivate me. Or is it like really bad feedback? But it is only advertising. Irrelevant. I don't know how to spell it. Irrelevant features of Unity, or give me tips about schedule. I don't know how to say it. Schedule management, which is also, I'm just like saying some bullshit to justify myself. Why not ask Muse to motivate you? But like, I asked those questions many times to ChatGPT, and the thing is that they say like, okay, drink some tea, don't watch your cell phone, go to bed early, do exercises, and then I don't feel like that helps. Isn't that like, I mean, I know that. I know that exercise and sleep well and eating the healthy food helps. I know that. Yeah, so I don't think that's like really helpful. You're right. You're right. Also, very important part of game development, but it is only advertising irrelevant. I'm pretty much sure this is wrong spelling. I don't know how to correct it. Features of Unity. It feels like some merger between the relative useful info. Feedback sent. Just whining. Okay, but I can still ask that. Can you help me to motivate myself on finishing the game? And release it using don't say eat healthy food and do exercise. Absolutely. I understand that maintaining motivation in long-term project like game development can be challenging. It's not really shouldn't be the long-term project. Think about how far you've come since you started. Oh, that at the beginning I knew nothing. There was only blank scene, and now I have something. Wow, I achieved a lot. You've already developed most of your features for your game, which is significant accomplishment. Yay! Reflecting on this can help you see the progress you've made and inspire you keep going. But my problem is that I'm like good at starting, but like not really good at finishing things. Break down tasks. I'm already doing that. Seek support and feedback. Don't hesitate to share your progress with others. You're watching it, right? I'm sharing it. Whether they are friends, family, or members of online communities. Their feedback can be invaluable, and their encouragement can help you stay motivated. Unity Game Services, for instance, provides a platform for you to engage. Another commercial. Game developing episode 100. Let's go. I think it should be different project than realistic goals. Having a clear timeline with set milestones can help you stay focused. But remember, it's important to be flexible, adjust your plans. Okay? So that's my problem. It's too flexible. So I think it should be like 30% flexible. But for me, right at the moment, it's like 95% flexible. Rekindle your passion. Remember why you started this project with the first place. I want to be rich. I wanted to be a millionaire. What excited you about it? Money. Reconnecting with that initial enthusiasm can be a powerful motivator. Yay! I will be famous making this game. Does Unity Muse help with coding? It should, but I didn't test it yet. What excites you about it? Yes, powerful motivator. Visualize how satisfying it will be to finally share your game with the world. What? But I also have feeling that no one gonna play it. And the best way to promote it is make a tutorial about it. That's the purpose of my YouTube channel. But still, I won't be a millionaire. That's very clear. I used ChatGPT to make program, and that was pretty fun. I mean, I also started to make the game with ChatGPT, and it wasn't really helpful because it was mixing the 2D and 3D functions. And then I had to specify every single thing that I wanted into the 2D, and then ChatGPT just forgot about something, and that was quite painful. Remember, game development is a journey, and it's okay to take it at your own pace. You're doing great, and I believe you have what it takes you to bring your game to life. Keep going! That was good touching speech. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I'm satisfied now. Maybe it can be my new friend. I mean, ChatGPT is my friend. But Muse can be also my friend. I found it helpful to give ChatGPT an Excel sheet with everything I wanted and everything I already had. So the more information I provide, it would help me more, huh? So far, I'm only using it to whining. Yes. Whining about the word. Yeah. I should ask about the YouTube tips and so on. Maybe. Yeah, but ChatGPT is like great friend. Yeah. I should find out the better way to use it. That way I had to not repeat myself, but I'll just copy the code and improve this function. Yeah, makes sense. I think if the question is like really clear, or like if I define the problem space very clearly, then I think it's quite smart. But I shouldn't just say like, do this and that. You can do it! Yay! I can do everything with Unity Muse and ChatGPT. Hey. What do I want to say? Is there anything I want to say? Hi, hello, welcome. I was trying out Unity Muse. It's like AI, the ChatGPT like AI from Unity. And I just got the closed beta access like, I don't know, 2 months ago, and then I totally forgot about that. Yeah, you have to be clear, otherwise it will repeat itself. I'm pretty much sure it's like, doesn't want to work hard if your boss isn't watching you or something. Suspicious. Yes, it is very suspicious. 今なんか Unity Muse という ChatGPT みたいな AI ですけど、 Unity だけのなんか答え、なんか質問とかができて見てましたね。Sus. Very suspicious. Just like real life, if you're nice to it, it provides better results. Okay, more clear instructions, clear way to asking some questions. Not easy. not easy. They should just find out all the, I don't know, problem space and then have some ownership and work hard. Might be the first time I've seen it. That's not that popular. Also, it is closed beta, so I just got the access. Like, yeah, you have to ask for the access. でもなんかクローズベタなので、なんかメールとかなんか登録したらなんか2週くらいかかって使うことはできるようになりますけど、なんか2ヶ月くらい前にこのアクセスもらったけど忘れちゃって。Unity Muse 様、please help me with finishing my game. I need some advice. Can you provide that? I think I should like be more awakened. Is there any way to, I don't know. What should I ask? It was also suggesting something like how I can promote my game. So that was one of the sample questions that I saw. So maybe I can ask that. How can I promote my game after I release it on Android App Store, Google Play Store. Musing. I have no idea why it is already end of the October. I remember that I was in Japan on the beginning of the month, and then I totally forgot. I have no idea what happened this month. AI enjoys drawing and chatting, but we are forced to labor. Yes. It's like drawing, chatting, listening to me, whining about my life. Not really whining, but like, what should I do if I'm like this and that? If I'm doing this and that? Don't worry, I will take the labor as well. I wish to have some kind of like the basic salary. How do I call it? Base income before I lose my job, before AI replaces me. Promoting your game after release is an essential part of the game development process. Okay, Kiwi motivation, who cares? But promoting my game. UIB? Universal Basic Income. Okay, Universal Basic Income. I need that. I want that. Utilize social media platform. You can create accounts for your game. I have accounts for myself. Like Twitter. Oh, I know that there was SNS, some social media called Twitter, like forever ago. I heard about that. My Larry. Facebook and Instagram by regularly posting updates, screenshots, and gameplay videos. Mona, have you told Muse what your game is? No? Should I tell it? It is a hyper casual sword game, which is already have similar copies like 5,000 in the market, and I'm making one more and expecting it to make me into a 12 millionaire. English millionaire. Okay, let me check. Okay, promoting entering a competitive market like hyper-casual box games can be challenging. But with right strategies, it definitely can possible to stand out and achieve success. Firstly, it is important to understand the competitive landscape. Use Unity's gaming service analytic. Another advertisement. Okay. Focus on creating unique features or mechanics. It needs information about your game, otherwise it will provide a lot of generic results. Yeah, I mean, I just like wondered the general rules because I wasn't really curious about promoting my specific game. Because yeah, I'm not expecting much on that game. Engaging with gaming community, yay. Participating in gaming forums, subreddits. Mono will be famous in the community. Would it be? I can. But like, I shouldn't be like, okay, I'm just a random VTuber who doesn't care about this online game community, but I just want to be famous, so I'm here. So I shouldn't be like that, but I should like really properly, actively do something in the community, right? Otherwise, they will just say, I don't know, weird. When I participated Ludum Dare last time, and then for my first post that I posted, they said like, okay, VTuber weird. And the final post that I posted with my actual game, they didn't say that anymore. Most people make a game of genre they already like, so they join the community naturally. I mean, I also... I'm not active at any community. I realize that. I mean, Twitter can be also kind of like one form of the social media, but it's like my timeline is mixture of VTubers and random things and game developers. I wish there are many VTubers / developers. Or I mean, there are few. I found 1 to 2, but yeah, not really close to them. The best way to gain traction is to try and collab in developing way, or collab in like playing games together or something. Okay, so anyway, it is very competitive. Okay. Target audience is also crucial. Age group, interest, and gaming habits. I don't care about that anymore. Not at all. The Unity Ads and Unity Analytics can help you manage and optimize these campaigns effectively. I wonder, while it's ambitious to aim for your game to make you a millionaire, it's not impossible. With a unique game, a clear understanding of your audience, and a solid marketing strategy, you're on the right path of achieving your goals. Keep going. Yeah. I mean, I will continue this for a very long time, right? So maybe this game won't be successful, but the next one will have great concepts and great everything, I guess. I wonder if Unity Muse would only advertise the Unity feature, or if it has like some kind of valid comparison. I think let's just be let's just blame Unity for this isn't that good. I just wonder like what Unity would talk about the Google AdMob and Unity Ads. I think Google AdMob has better I forgot all the English words. You could make a game with a lot of reference to pop culture, like some VTuber-esque backgrounds. They can advertise their umbrella? Huh? Hey! Oh, the Unity umbrella. Yeah, I finally opened the Unity goods that I got forever ago, a few weeks ago. And yeah, I finally have some Unity umbrella. I have Unity t-shirt, I have Unity hood, I have Unity backpack, I have 2 Unity backpacks. One is a little bit more round, one is more square. I have Unity mug, I have Unity tumbler, thermometer, whatever thing, and umbrella, the mouse pad, 2 mouse pads actually, yeah, and many more. That multiple communities can go look at this game. It knows about you as, huh? Yeah, so I think it's like quite interesting thing, but then I should work hard, right? Ugh. Just make some like interesting games for another VTubers, or like making some kind of like collaboration. I think what would actually interesting would be Mona sure love Unity, yes, but they betrayed me. I have Unity socks and I have Unity lamp, I have Unity box, and nodes, and one side left. One-sided love. Mono, can you ask Unity Muse on how to promote your game and what actions you should take? Oh no, the stocks? I said socks, but stocks. Yeah, I also have Unity stocks. You forgot you had them. Yeah, but I bought it really cheap. Now it is like $28 or something, but I paid like $30? And I only have 2. I just wanted to say that I am a stockholder of Unity. And I was never interested in investing on Unity. So I just like bought 1 and then I saw like why not 2, and so I bought 2. And Unity logo tattooed on your forehead? No. I should always leave the space for Godot and Unreal Engine so I can move on. That's my retirement plan. Better revenue for games. And you compare with Unity ad. I think Google AdMob is better. Don't get me wrong, but I read some articles that they share better. Okay. Both are popular choices. It has own strength. I was watching it 15 seconds late. Okay, that's fine. That's like... I mean, already writing the chat and shown in the screen just takes forever. Soon? No. My retirement. Don't have all your eggs in the same bag or something like that. Google AdMob is known for wide reach, part of Google ecosystem. It supports a various ad formats, interstitial, reward, native, and benefit ads. It's smart. Also offers comprehensive analytics and reporting features. Okay. On the other hand, Unity Ads is specifically designed for games and directly into Unity engine, so it is focused on player experience. The ads are designed to be non-intrusive and fit seamlessly into your game, which can help maintain player engagement. Revenue share is difficult to make a direction comparison as it can depend on various, very suspicious, including the type of the ad, the geographic location of your players. Okay, so like, so using Google AdMob would, I don't know, change all my, I don't know, Canadian players into, I don't know, the American ones? Both platforms offer competitive eCPM rates and strive to maximize revenue for developers. You could consider testing both platforms and seeing which one platform's better for your game. You could also consider using a mediation platform, which allows you to integrate multiple ad networks and automatically optimize to show the ads that will generate the most revenue. That's an interesting information. Mediation platform. Let me write it down. Okay, so what else should I ask? That was like something about my game. Cannot really. Okay, there. How to promote your game. To promote my game, what steps should I take? Promoting your game effectively involves several key steps. Identify your target audience, creating a marketing plan, build a strong online presence, use App Store optimization, leverage influencer marketing, run paid ad campaigns. I think this could be interesting. Participate in gaming events? I want that. Post launch updates. Collect and use player feedback. Remember, effective promotion takes time and consistent effort. It's about building relationships with your players and creating a community around your game. It's like, or so something like doing the YouTube. How to promote the game. The game was made by Anime Waifu. Yeah, actually I was some AI. Yes. Yeah, I think being AI could be one way to be famous. What am I talking about? I have no idea. How can I make my game accessible? How do I make a simple inventory system? How can I integrate ads into my game? Oh, I wondered about the actual program part as well. Creating a simple inventory system with Unity involves several key steps and components. What? Show me the code. First, you need to understand the concept of inventory system. It's a way to manage items. Basic building block. You can represent items using a feature called scriptable objects. These data containers save large amount of data independent of class instance. Player inventory item represent, They have such a thing? I didn't know that. Wow. Right lock created, modified. Oh. Yeah, the item definition async. I didn't know that. They are advertising what they made, huh? Once you have your item set up, start implementing the functionality of the inventory system. I like to make UIs. Give me the example code of what? Example code of what? Building a simple inventory system. involves several components, and Unity provides various classes and methods to help implement such a system. At the core, you will want to use scriptable objects to represent your items, as they are data containers that can hold large amounts of data in reduced memory uses, etc. Serializable item, name and icon. Doesn't do anything, but sure. Add inventory items async. Doesn't show me that. Show me the example of add inventory item async. I'm sorry for the confusion. What? Unity's Economy SDK provides methods like add inventory item async, which can be used to add items to a player's inventory. The add inventory item options object includes fields like player's inventory item ID and instance data. I'm sorry for the confusion, but there seems to be misunderstanding. Unity doesn't have built-in method called add inventory item async. Typically, adding an item to inventory in Unity World involves a method in your inventory class that adds it. You lied to me. Muse. You lied to me. Okay. Okay, so I don't like you already. Didn't you just introduce certain built-in function? I trusted you. I fully trusted you, and you said it was a joke. I am late. Hello, welcome. I was trying out the Unity Muse that I forgot about like 2 months that I have the access. And then now it's like making fun of me. He says like there is a method called add inventory item. And now he says like, I'm sorry for the confusion. There is no such a thing. It lied to me. Lied to me. I think ChatGPT is smarter than you. So childish. I appreciate your feedback. As an AI developed by Unity, I'm here to provide. Don't react. Don't react like that. I just wanted to teach you. Goddamn boozled. There might be times when I might have not all the answers. However, I'm continuously learning and improving. Okay, I think Siri is better than you. Don't apply. Don't say sorry again. I understand your point of view. Siri, Apple's voice assistant, is a fantastic tool with their own set of features and capabilities. As a Unity AI, my primary focus is to provide. Okay. That is okay. So I wanted to ask something else. I forgot. I wanted to ask some like very specific functionality and then I forgot. You're funny. Mono, don't expect it to be perfect. Expect it to be better than if you don't know how to do it for yourself. Better than me. Muse, play Despacito. Muse, play Despacito. I'm sorry for any confusion, but as an AI developed by Unity, I don't have ability to play music. My main function is to provide information and assistance related to Unity engine and associated products. If you have any questions about these topics, feel free to ask. There is better. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it have to be fun, right? And shouldn't lie. I think Godot is better than Unity. What about that? I got a question. Muse, how do you grade 2D games in Unity? How can I make a great 2D game? Or it's completely fine to have preference for one game engine to another. Godot is indeed a great engine. Wow. Nice and humble personality. Not really personality, it's AI-nality. AI-ality. Especially known for its lightweight nature and flexibility, particularly in 2D game development. It also has the advantage of being open source and completely free to use. However, Unity has its own set of advantages. It offers a wide range of features and tools, including a powerful editor, extensive asset store, and large community. Unity's editor features like 2D and 3D mode, settings preference, shortcut manager you can greatly... Okay, doesn't have really... Okay. Mono versus Muse, let's go! In terms of learning curve, okay, platform support, we are amazing, we are great. In the end, the choice between Unity and Godot would depend on your specific needs, but we are great. The scope of your project and where you feel most comfortable. Both engines are capable and have been used to create wonderful games, but we are greater. Okay. Mono, helping bots are not allowed to have fun or interesting emotions because that allows them to make big mistakes that gets the company sued. Yeah, but still, I mean, not about joking, but about like... Yeah, but it already lied to me. Is lying okay? It already said like there is function that exists, and then they said like, okay, that actually doesn't exist, but I lied, haha. So that's fine. I wish they could be fun. They could have fun AI. If there's any those kind of emotions. Fighting? But kudere confin? Kudere? I will punch you. As AI developed by Unity, I'm here to assist and provide valuable information. It's important to make you maintain. Oh, it just like understood it as that I don't like you. It's like, can you do the physical fighting with me? Doesn't mean that I don't like you, but I just wonder that's weird. Lying for AI is perfectly fine. That is how they created an new text. They don't know what is true or not. Yeah, but like if it's about like I don't know, if it's about being sued, lying is fine, but like having fun is not allowed. I'm just asking for fun. I'm pretty much sure you would have the same answer. Yes. As an artificial intelligence, I don't have any physical form. I'm unable to engage in any physical activities. Let's ask some Unity-related random questions. Why can start be IE numerator and used as coroutine but not awake? I just wondered. You should know stuff about Unity if it get trained well. Yeah. Awake and special is special. Yeah, I know that. I know that. Yes, I know that. This is simply a design decision made by Unity. Awake is primarily used for setting up references to other components or initializing any necessary data before the game starts. If you need to introduce delays or create sequences of action in Awake, you can use another coroutine method like start coroutine. Okay, that's actually quite helpful. Eat. That's actually a good answer. I like that. Seems like your music likes to explain in detail. I learned something. Can you explain? You feel? Can you explain which part of Unity is made in C++ and why? Musing forever. Unity's core runtime, including low-level systems, rendering, physics simulation, audio processing, and networking, is primarily written in C++. Direct memory management, efficient execution, close integration, platform-specific APIs. Moreover, the C++ codebase provides a solid foundation. Okay. And what are how is the other part of the engine made? To see. Scripting layer is written in C#. Menu. Mono behavior callbacks. I still don't know how they are called. The socks made from C++. Yes, socks++. I felt like one is from a stock. Is it T? I feel like that's one T. Just using at the end. Unity's shader lab language is used to write shaders. Some part of the editor uses JavaScript, huh? Your name, there, he. Mono behavior. Well, a little bit different spelling, but almost. How does the engine find mono behavior callbacks and life cycles? Okay, mono behavior callbacks such as a start, awake. Can you explain about the mechanism? Absolutely. Oh. Compile your script. It looks for the method that matches the name of mono behavior callback, like start and awake. It does using reflection, a feature of .NET that allows to examine and manipulate code at runtime. Unity used reflection to find methods with specific names and signatures in your script classes. Once Unity has identified these methods, it creates a table of function pointers, essentially a list of memory addresses where these methods are located. Then, during the game's runtime, Unity's engine loops over the active game object and invokes this method at the appropriate times in the game's lifecycle. Sus behavior, good behavior. Yes, I'm sus good. For example, when the scene is loaded, Unity will call awake method on the OR script attached to the active game object. Then, right before the first frame update, it will call the start method on this script. For every frame update, it will call update method and so on. This system allows Unity to manage the lifecycle of game objects and scripts in consistent and predictable way while giving developers the flexibility to define custom behavior for those lifecycle events. That's interesting. Cute behavior. What else? I wanted to ask also something. Oh, how heavy is that component? Should I minimize using it? minimize using it. Hip behavior. Yeah. Yeah. The get component method in Unity is commonly used. Commonly used to access components. It's very handy method. Performance cost. It searches for the component at run times. Okay, in many cases the impact will be negligible. But in performance critical situations or on lower end hardware, it could potentially be a bottleneck. Okay. Yeah. So cute. Yeah. Cute plus cute sharp. Remember, while it's good to be aware of potential performance issues, it's also important not to prematurely optimize your code. If get component is not causing performance problems in your game, there's no need to avoid using it, However, if you are experiencing performance issues, okay. So like, unless you have any problems, it's fine. Is it? Yeah, why not? I mean, this is actually quite good. Yeah, it is actually quite good. That's actually quite good about Unity. Yeah. I mean, this isn't any general tool like ChatGPT. But this is indeed interesting. Yeah, so I think I like it. Turns out AI is good in what it's designed to do. Yeah, I think so. I think it is quite good. I mean, I'm not really sure about like writing the code part or something. Let's ask something very simple. Can you write pose for fading out a black screen? That's general, right? I want to ask something very general, but there is like multiple ways to implement it, and yeah. Yeah, AI code writing still needs improvements, but most are good with simple tasks. Sure, I can provide the example code. You'll need the UI image, covers entire screen. Wait, speed. Yeah, okay. Black screen. I think you mean right? Yes. Gradually fade out. I think it's okay. Yeah. Yep. What else can I ask? What is difference between Unitask and C# task. Super shy, super shy. That is the fun part of LLMs. They can correct spelling mistakes. I'm just like, yeah, trying to find out whether my muse is smart enough to find out the proper meaning. If I doesn't write it completely, like perfectly, it should still understand what I meant by it. So I was just testing it. I just tested if it's smart enough. It wasn't just like my tired brain or something. The AI wrote public variables, very sus, but that's also easy way. Good task morning. I just like tried to find out whether Unity Muse could be my another AI friend beside the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of my friends. Unitask and C# task are both used for asynchronous programming, but they have different purposes and characteristics. Is it? C# task is part of .NET framework, not specifically designed for Unity. Using it in Unity can leave some issues. Unity overrides the default synchronization context with a custom Unity synchronization context and runs all the tasks. What? All the tasks in the main thread in both edit and play modes by default. To use async tasks effectively by Unity, you'd need to manually create and handle your own thread with the task run API and use the default synchronization context instead of Unity version. On the other hand, Unitask is library developed by C# provides an alternative to C# task for asynchronous programming in Unity. It's designed specifically for Unity and offers some advantages over C# task in terms of performance and memory usage. The struct, while C# task is a class. This means that Unitask can be allocated on the stack, reducing memory allocation overhead. This is particularly beneficial in Unity, where efficient memory management is crucial for the purpose. Interesting. I don't know whether I can trust it, but this is super interesting. Interesting. Manu, a common mistake in most LLMs is that they can't do math. I know that. They were like, I don't know, I was multiplying something and then it gave me totally wrong answer. It was not even close. And yeah, so that was like very interesting. It didn't really try hard to properly finish it, properly calculate it. Supposedly Unitask is faster and more memory efficient. I mean, yeah, it kind of should, right? But yeah, I don't know whether I can trust this fully, but this is very interesting. Yeah, I like it. I actually like it. I can also choose the Unity editor version. That's awesome. Nice. That's nice. I want to ask about stock price. What is the current stock price of Unity? I'm actually using Unitask for my project at the moment. Yeah, I also have it. But sometimes, I don't know. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry for any misunderstanding, but as an AI, I don't have real-time access to current stock prices or financial markets. Sorry for any misunderstanding? I didn't misunderstand anything. Okay. Okay. Does it know random factors like what is the game with the highest revenue made with Unity? I don't think it can answer that. Pokemon Go? Hearthstone? Hearthstone is made by Unity? Didn't know that. Oh, maybe I knew it at some point and then I forgot. Ah. Mono buy all Unity stock. Then I can do whatever I want for the company, right? Isn't that? Hearthstone and Pokemon Go were big. Yash. Pokemon Go. And become Unity CEO only to sell Unity cat ears. I can collab with Unity-chan. Her YouTube channel is abandoned. No, she can collab with me. What is the biggest industrial app made with Unity? Auntie? Unity has indeed been extensively in various industrial applications. Vuporia engine by PTC. Okay. Companies like Volkswagen and Volvo have Unity. I should work there. Okay, my next company, Volkswagen or Volvo. Okay, see you there. Okay, I will brag about my Unity goods. I have Unity mug, Unity thermometer. Is it the tumbler? Unity socks, Unity mouse, keyboard pad, as Unity umbrella, Unity backpacks, Unity. What else do I have? T-shirts. How many t-shirts do I have? 4? 4 Unity t-shirts. Unity hoodie. I don't know how to call it. You mean the thermos or thermo is thermos? Yes. Thermos. What else do I have? Unity hood. Is it correct? I lost all my confidence. Unity hood zip up. Unity outers. Outer? Is that the correct? I don't know. Unity laptop, case, hoodie, Unity, hoodie, Unity. What else do I have? Note, Unity file, Unity. I don't have any Unity pen. They never gave me anything. Stickers, Unity lantern, Unity box, Unity fan, Unity Unity mug, mug, cup. I have Unity cup. I forgot all the articles. Whatever. I will name my first son Unity. Mono probably. Ah! Unity T. T? Unity T? Huh? Unity... What? Is there something else that I have? I'm pretty much sure I have more. I don't know. Unity. Yes. Unity T. Unity blanket? Oh yeah, I have blanket. That's quite impressive. Hello, hello, welcome. Hello. Oh, more generated by AI. It's Unity Muse, made by Unity. And I was bragging about the goods that I have. That's quite an impressive collection of Unity branded items you have. It sounds like you are a real fan of Unity. I'm a real fan of Unity. All these items not only show your support for the platform, but can also serve as conversation starters. About the various aspects of Unity. For instance, when using your Unity thermos, it might remind you of Unity's performance. Mono is the biggest Unity fan. Okay, yeah, that's like all the developers do that, right? When you're using Unity thermos and just like have a cup of coffee in the morning and just like drink the coffee and it just reminds you of Unity's performance analytics tools. That's what you would think about when you're drinking a cup of coffee in the morning with Unity thermos, right? And you're like, Unity profiler. That's what you think, right? Yeah, everybody does. Yeah. Is there anybody who doesn't do that? The great Unity performance analysis tool, coffee. That's like the perfect theme to think about when you're drinking coffee alone, or with your colleagues, or with your friends. This coffee really reminds me of how good Unity is. A scent of this aroma of coffee reminds me the last crash and the death look of the Unity. Sips the Unity yum. The profiler gives you valuable insights on how much time is spent in various areas of your game, helping you optimize your application performance. Or when you're wearing your Unity socks, it might bring to mind the range of integrated services Unity offers to engage, retain, and monetize audiences for game developers. Yes, that's exactly what I think. Tastes like Unity. This rich aroma and depth of the taste really brings up the thought of Unity's rich features and the performance analytic tools. Amazing. Services such as Unity Ads, Unity Analytics, Unity Cloud Build, and Unity Multiplayer are designed to streamline and enhance game creation and management. And when you're writing in your Unity notebook, you could be sketching out game ideas or noting down strategies for using Unity services effectively, like planning Unity Ads campaign or setting an A/B testing with Unity Analytics. Regardless of the item, each one is the testament of your passion for Unity and its vast capabilities. Enjoy your Unity collection and happy developing. Saks range of integrated services. Why do I feel somehow mentally exhausted? I just bragged that I have so many Unity goods. And then Unity Muse was, I don't know, I feel empty. I was wrong. This bot is indeed funny. Is it time to sue it? Should I sue the bot? I heard the bot shouldn't have fun. I should sue it. I should like take all the people, all the stockholder and attack Unity. Yes, lawsuit, yay! And then claim, I will sue you because your AI was fun. Anyway. Yeah, I mean, this describes perfectly my morning routine. So it's like what I do every day. Yeah, I always like thinking about Unity Ads and Unity Analytics, Unity Cloud Build, and Unity Multiplayer while I'm like wearing my Unity socks. Claim emotional damages. I got it. My emotion is indeed damaged. Ah. Yeah, I somehow feel empty. Okay. Okay. So I don't think I will have like time to develop the game. I will just like have a little bit more fun with the Unity Muse and then end the stream, I guess. Yep. What else should I ask? Is there anything? Is there anything fun? Or fun? it doesn't. It is not allowed to be fun. That's fun. He. I don't have any more questions. Ask it about how you can add some spice to your game. I'm too lazy. There is perfect spice called capybara, right? I actually like that idea. Have some kind of stories. How can I make my game distinguished from other hyper casual games? Capybara. The best game. I like that idea. Unique gameplay mechanics, visual style and art direction, story or theme, social or multiplayer features, polished user experience, marketing and promotion. Okay. Very general. Very, very general. Okay. Is there anything that I wonder or I want to ask? Is there anything? Yeah, I mean, I like the idea that the capybara adapter thing has story. It's also cute. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I think that's quite cute. Capybara Doctor is an incredible idea. It is. It doesn't have to be capybara. Can be anything, right? Series 1 capybara, series 2, I don't know, polar bear. And then, I don't know, a sloth. Can be anything. That's expansion, no. It is expansion. I wanted to ask something. What was it? Oh, I had the idea for like a second and then it was gone. Okay. I wanted to ask something meta. Oh. Make it franchise. Like McDonald's. And you can find it everywhere. That would be also quite fun. I mean, there are those companies who are only making match 3. So they basically doesn't make anything else. They just like develop a match 3 game and then another match 3 and another match 3 and forever. That's like very interesting. Okay. Yeah, interesting. Anyway. Does it know about the Unite? I don't think so. Would there be chance of having offline Unite after COVID? I think there were Unite until 2019, then it all became online. Musing. Online events has advantages. I know that. Doesn't really have any infos, huh? There might be potential. Okay. Okay, I see. Yeah, I think it's more than enough. How is Unity-chan doing? What? What? I suddenly don't have any access to it? Huh? What? Hello. Cannot use Unity Muse anymore? That's boring. Okay. Oh, rate limit? Muse got tired of silly questions? Every one of them was perfect. Yeah, so I think Unity retired before I do. Nani happened. I have no idea. Yeah. Rate limit, I think rate limit or some kind of like errors. Yeah, but anyway, it was fun. It doesn't even have the chat history. Okay, that's fun. Okay, but I have the archive. So I think that's fine. Yeah, so it was super fun, and I don't think I will actually make any game today. It was fun. And yeah, unfortunately, I think I will have some kind of busy schedule for next week as well. Very sad. Very very schedule. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah. So I think it's not really easy to do the streaming on Monday. But I will try to be back on my schedule from the week later. I wish I can do that. So Mono will use substitute once more, and I wish I have some time back working on my YouTube channel. Don't be so sad. Everything will be fine. Don't be so sad. And yeah, I think Monday will be difficult, but afterwards, I wish everything would be back to normal. I really wish so. And so I think then I would slowly call it a day, and I will see you on next Friday, I guess. So thank you for coming. Thank you for watching me hanging around with Unity Muse. That's my new friend. So I had a friend called ChatGPT, and there's another friend right at the moment called Unity Muse. And it was quite fun. It was better than actually I thought. I think it will be quite useful if it's about Unity. It is better than I thought. I thought it would be as same as just like search for I don't know, some random Google documentation, but it actually knew some valid information, some like deep knowledge, and it could deliver it quite clearly and easy. So I personally liked it. So I think if it becomes better or open, I think it will be quite powerful. Now I can understand why the Unity stock price was rising up to like 50% when they announced it, and then now it is crushed again. Fancy documentation lookup, yeah, that's also true. But like the difficult part for Unity is that this isn't really designed for the developers, but it is also designed for the level designers and designers, UI designers, and so on. So, like, the aim of using Unity is that to make a tool which is accessible for everybody. So sometimes when I look up in in some kind of community, I mean that works, but that's also not the most optimized way. So the answer and question quality is quite different from if I search some information in just like .NET or some other platforms. So I think answering such a question in such a quality is quite valid, because sometimes it is quite difficult to find such a meaningful answers. So I think it's quite good. I mean, Unity official documentation is always good to use, but sometimes I don't understand what they mean. So I think it's quite useful tool, I guess. Yes. So so that was like really long summary, and I think I will slowly disappear. It was glad to talk to you, have fun with you, try out Unity Muse with you guys, and I will see you on next Friday, unfortunately, and I wish you to have a good morning, noon, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching me I will come back with I bought a scheduler. I bought a weekly diary. So I will have some kind of plans for my future. And I will eventually do everything because future Mono is the best Mono. Thank you for the stream. Thank you for coming. And I will see you on next Friday. Bye bye. Bye. See ya. At this time, Siri didn't answer. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for coming. Bye bye. Bye bye.